To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. Gold IRA fees explained in detail. Precious metals IRA accounts. Introduction. Securing your retirement with gold. Understanding the cost of peace of mind. In an era of economic uncertainty, geopolitical instability, and fluctuating market conditions, many investors are looking beyond traditional stocks and bonds to diversify their retirement portfolios. Precious metals, particularly gold, have long been considered a safe haven asset, offering a hedge against inflation and a store of value in times of crisis. A gold IRA, or precious metals IRA, allows you to hold physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium within the tax-advantaged structure of an individual retirement account. While the allure of owning physical gold within your retirement plan is strong, it's essential to understand the associated fees. Unlike a traditional IRA that typically invests in paper assets like stocks and bonds, a gold IRA involves specialized handling, storage, and insurance. This audiobook provides a comprehensive breakdown of gold IRA fees, explaining what they are, why they exist, and how to evaluate them to make informed decisions that align with your retirement goals. We will also discuss why, viewed in the context of the long-term benefits of gold ownership and retirement security, these fees are often a worthwhile investment. Why gold in a retirement portfolio? Reaping the benefits of diversification and stability. Before diving into the specifics of gold IRA fees, it's crucial to understand the compelling reasons for considering gold as part of your retirement strategy. Diversification. Beyond traditional assets, modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification to reduce risk. Gold, with its historically low correlation to stocks and bonds, can provide a valuable counterweight to market volatility. When stocks plummet, gold often rises, helping to cushion your portfolio against significant losses. Inflation hedge. Gold has historically maintained its purchasing power during periods of inflation. As the value of fiat currencies, like the US dollar, erodes due to inflation, the price of gold tends to increase, preserving the real value of your retirement savings. Safe haven asset. During times of economic or political turmoil, investors often flock to gold as a safe haven. This increased demand can drive up the price of gold, providing a buffer against uncertainty. Tangible asset ownership. Unlike stocks or bonds, which are essentially promises, gold is a tangible asset. You have physical ownership of a valuable commodity, which provides a sense of security and control. Long-term value appreciation. While short-term gold prices can fluctuate, gold has demonstrated a long-term trend of appreciation. As global demand for gold continues to rise, particularly from emerging markets, its value is likely to increase over time. Understanding the unique structure of a gold IRA. Unlike traditional IRAs, a gold IRA requires a custodian and a depository. The custodian is a financial institution approved by the IRS to administer your IRA, and the depository is a secure storage facility that holds your precious metals. Here's a breakdown. Self-directed IRA. A gold IRA is a type of self-directed IRA, meaning you have more control over your investment choices than with a traditional IRA. However, you are still bound by IRS rules and regulations. Custodian. The custodian acts as a facilitator, handling paperwork, reporting to the IRS, and ensuring compliance with all regulations. They do not provide investment advice. Depository. The depository provides secure insured storage for your precious metals. Your gold is typically held in a segregated account, meaning it is separated from the holdings of other investors. Detailed breakdown of Gold IRA fees. Demystifying the costs. Understanding the different types of fees associated with a Gold IRA is crucial for making an informed decision. Here's a detailed breakdown. Account setup fees. Description. This is a one-time fee charged to establish your Gold IRA account. It covers the cost of processing your application, setting up the account infrastructure, and performing required due diligence. Typical range, 50 to 250. Why it exists. Setting up a specialized IRA account involves more administrative work than a traditional IRA due to the unique requirements of storing and managing physical precious metals. Mitigation strategies. Look for custodians that offer promotional discounts or waive setup fees for larger initial investments. Some companies may offer a price match. Justification. Consider this a necessary cost of entry to access the unique benefits of a Gold IRA. It is a one-time fee. Annual maintenance fees. Description. This is an annual fee charged to maintain your Gold IRA account. It covers ongoing administrative costs, record keeping, and customer support. Typical range, $50 to $300. Why it exists. Maintaining compliance with IRS regulations, providing customer service, and managing the administrative aspects of your account incur ongoing costs for the custodian. Mitigation strategies. Some custodians offer tiered pricing based on the size of your account. Larger accounts may qualify for lower annual fees. Some also offer flat rate fees regardless of the account size. Justification. Think of this as the cost of having professional administration of your self-directed retirement account. Storage fees. Description. This fee covers the cost of storing your precious metals in a secure depository. It includes insurance against theft or damage. Typical range, 0.35% to 1% of the value of your assets annually, or a flat fee of $100 to $300. Why it exists. Secure storage requires a high level of security, insurance, and specialized facilities. Depositories invest heavily in these areas to protect your assets. Mitigation strategies. Compare storage fees across different depositories. Some depositories may offer lower fees for larger accounts, or if you store your metals in a specific location. Justification. This is the cost of ensuring the safety and security of your physical gold investment. This fee is critical because you cannot store your Gold IRA at home. Transaction fees. Buy-sell. Description. These fees are charged when you buy or sell precious metals within your Gold IRA. They cover the custodian's costs of processing the transaction and coordinating with the precious metals dealer. Typical range, $40 to $100 per transaction. Why it exists. Each transaction involves administrative work, processing payments, and coordinating with the dealer to acquire or liquidate your precious metals. Mitigation strategies. Plan your transactions carefully to minimize the frequency of buying and selling. Some custodians may offer lower transaction fees for larger trades. Justification. This fee is comparable to brokerage commissions on traditional stock or bond trades. Shipping fees. Description. Fees associated with shipping your precious metals from the dealer to the depository when you initially fund the account, or from the depository back to you if you decide to take a distribution in physical gold. Typical range, $50 to $250. Depending on the size and weight of the shipment and insurance costs. Why it exists. Shipping valuable items requires specialized handling, insurance, and security measures to protect against theft or damage. Mitigation strategies. Consolidate your initial purchase to minimize the number of shipments. If taking a distribution, consider the implications of the shipping fees relative to the value of the metals being shipped. Justification. This fee ensures that the precious metals are safely delivered to and from the depository, minimizing the risk of loss or damage. Dealer markup. Description. This is the premium the precious metals dealer charges above the spot price, the current market price, of the gold. Typical range. Varies depending on the dealer and the type of gold being purchased. Coins generally have higher markups than bullion. can be 1 to 5% or more. Why it exists. Dealers need to make a profit for their services, which includes sourcing the gold, authenticating it, and providing customer service. Mitigation strategies. Shop around for the best prices from reputable dealers. Be wary of dealers with excessively high markups. Compare prices across multiple dealers before making a purchase. Justification. The markup is the cost of convenience and security. Dealers offer vetted and authentic gold, preventing you from needing to do the validation and purchasing yourself. Evaluating Gold IRA fees, focusing on value and long-term growth. While it's crucial to be aware of Gold IRA fees, it's equally important to evaluate them in the context of the potential benefits of gold ownership and the long-term growth of your retirement savings. Consider these factors. Transparency. Choose a custodian and dealer that are transparent about their fees. Avoid companies that hide fees or use confusing language. Reputation. Research the reputation of the custodian and dealer. Look for companies with a strong track record of customer service and compliance. Security. Ensure that your precious metals are stored in a secure depository with adequate insurance. Long-term perspective. Don't get overly focused on small differences in fees. Focus on the overall value you are receiving and the long-term potential of gold as a hedge against inflation and a store of value. Remember that Gold IRA fees are typically a small percentage of the overall value of your retirement assets. Consider the alternatives. Compare the fees associated with a Gold IRA to the fees associated with other types of investments. Some traditional investments also have fees, such as management fees for mutual funds or brokerage commissions for stock trades. Tax advantages. Remember that the gains in your Gold IRA are tax-deferred in a traditional Gold IRA or potentially tax-free in a Roth Gold IRA, which can significantly offset the fees over time. The long-term value proposition of gold and the overlooked costs of not owning gold. While Gold IRA fees are a tangible expense, it's crucial to consider the opportunity cost of not owning gold in your retirement portfolio. Consider these often overlooked costs. Inflation risk. The erosion of your purchasing power due to inflation can significantly impact your retirement savings. If your portfolio is solely invested in assets that don't keep pace with inflation, you may find yourself with less real wealth in retirement. Gold's historical role as a hedge against inflation makes it a valuable tool for preserving your long-term financial security. Market volatility. Stock market crashes and economic downturns can decimate retirement portfolios. Diversifying with gold can help mitigate these risks and protect your savings during turbulent times. Currency debasement. Governments often print money to stimulate the economy, which can lead to currency debasement and a decline in the value of your savings. Gold, as a finite resource, is not subject to the same risks as fiat currencies. Geopolitical risk. Political instability and international conflicts can have a significant impact on financial markets. Gold, as a safe haven asset, tends to perform well during times of geopolitical uncertainty. Conclusion. Investing in your financial future with gold, the rewards outweigh the costs. While Gold IRA fees are a factor to consider, they should not be the sole deciding factor in your investment decision. A well-reasoned and informed investment into a Gold IRA can provide diversification, serve as an inflation hedge, and offer a safe haven in times of uncertainty. The fees associated with a Gold IRA should be viewed as an investment in the peace of mind that comes with knowing a portion of your retirement savings is secured in a tangible, historically valuable asset. By carefully evaluating your options, choosing a reputable custodian and dealer, and understanding the long-term benefits of gold ownership, you can make informed decisions that align with your retirement goals and secure your financial future. The key is to focus on the overall value proposition of gold and the potential for long-term growth, rather than getting overly fixated on short-term fluctuations in fees. Remember, the security and stability that gold can bring to your retirement portfolio may far outweigh the nominal costs associated with a Gold IRA. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience. And this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.